Hi, welcome back to another new tutorial, and in this video I will show you how to color grade a photo in very easy way. So if you are new into my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Open your Photoshop and open a photo. I open this photo. First, we go to the filter and then camera raw filter and increase some contrast, decrease some highlights, increase some shadow, increase some whites and decrease some blacks, and increase some clarity and increase some vibrance. And then go to the curves tool and increase some light, and then go to the sharpening and masking is full, and go to the noise reduction and luminance is 20. And then go to the color and increase some orange color luminance for face color, and then decrease the yellow color. Okay, and then decrease the green color, and now go to the saturation and decrease the decrease the green color. Okay, and decrease the yellow color and decrease the green color also, and then go to the saturation and decrease the green color, and yellow color is +1, amount is +1. And now you see this, and now you see a color, and now we add more color grade. So go to the purple, so go to the camera HSL, go to the split toning and split toning saturation in +10, and hue is 242. And now go to the shadows and shadows hue is 219 and saturation is 40. And now go to the camera calibration and red primary is decrease some red primary around 2, decrease some green primary, and decrease some blue primary. And then go to the gradient filter and zoom out is it. Now I add some vintage in this photo. After I add this vintage, this photo looks very awesome. Okay, you can see the photo. After that, applying this vintage. Okay, and now we go to the curves tool and select red and increase the red, and then go to the green and increase it, then go to the blue and also increase the blue, and then click OK, and you can see the change. And now we add some more color grade. I want to add some more attractive look in this photo, so let's say go to the photo filter and we apply a photo filter. And I applied this photo filter. This photo filter name is cooling filter, and this filter amount is around 20. And now you can see the editing And now we add some saturation, and just I go to the saturation, and saturation amount is 5. So you see the before and after, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe this channel for more updates. So no more today, and thanks for watching this video.